Hey there, Uber drivers. Are you ready to level up your driving experience? Today, we're diving into a must-have gadget that not only keeps you safe, but also gives you peace of mind during those long rides. We're talking about the best dashcam for Uber drivers. Imagine capturing every moment of your journey, protecting yourself against accidents, disputes, and even unpredictable passengers. In this video, we'll explore top features, share real user experiences, and help you choose the perfect dashcam that fits your needs and budget. Make sure to stick around, because enhancing your rideshare experience starts right now. Let's get started. Number 5. Yansoo Dual Dashcam is the ultimate choice for those who prioritize safety while on the road, especially for Uber and Lyft drivers. Boasting dual 1080p cameras, front and inside, this dashcam captures crystal clear video at 1920x 1080p, ensuring you won't miss a detail in either direction. With a wide 170 degrees and 140 degrees viewing angle, it effectively covers multiple lanes and the interior, providing essential evidence in case of incidents. Equipped with advanced infrared night vision and WDR technology, the Yansoo dashcam beautifully records both day and night. Its built-in G-sensor triggers emergency recording during sudden incidents, guaranteeing that your crucial moments are saved. Plus, the 24-hour parking monitor keeps a watchful eye on your vehicle even when parked. With easy installation and a user-friendly interface, this dashcam is ideal for anyone seeking peace of mind while driving. For Uber drivers, the Yansoo Dual Dashcam is a must-have companion, enhancing your driving experience and providing invaluable security on the road. Number 4. Kingslim D1 Pro Dual Dashcam is an exceptional recording device, meticulously designed for Uber drivers and fleet operators. This upgraded model delivers stunning 4K front and 1080p cabin recording, ensuring every detail is captured, thanks to its dual 170-degree super-wide viewing angles. With smart app control via built-in Wi-Fi, managing videos and settings is a breeze on both Android and iOS devices. The integrated GPS tracks speed and routes effortlessly. Nighttime driving is safer with its industry-leading starvis sensor and WDR technology, providing superior clarity in low-light conditions. Equipped with a G-sensor, it automatically locks emergency footage during impacts, while loop recording frees up storage space by overwriting old files seamlessly. Easy to install and operate, the Kingslim D1 Pro is the ultimate dashcam, ensuring a reliable and comprehensive record of your journeys, making it the best dashcam for Uber drivers. Number 3. COOAU D30S 4K Dashcam, the ultimate solution for Uber drivers seeking safety and reliability. With dual cameras capturing stunning 2.5K front and 1080p cabin video, this dashcam records sharp details crucial for passenger incidents, enhancing driving behavior and preserving precious memories. Enjoy superior night vision with 4 infrared LEDs and advanced imaging technology, ensuring clarity in the darkest conditions. The built-in GPS tracks your routes and provides precise timestamps, while the user-friendly Wi-Fi connection allows for seamless video management via the COOAU app. Its adjustable G-sensor and 24-hour parking mode ensure your vehicle is monitored even when you're away. Plus, with 24-month warranty and 7/24 customer care, COOAU guarantees your satisfaction. Ideal for Uber drivers, the COOAU D30S is your trusted companion on the road. Number 2. Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dashcam is the ultimate choice for rideshare drivers, delivering unparalleled video quality and essential features that ensure safety and peace of mind. This dual-lens 1080p camera captures vivid footage from both the front, 170 degrees, and the inside cabin, 140 degrees, simultaneously, making it perfect for Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers who need reliable evidence during incidents. With its impressive 2.5K resolution for front-only recording, you'll easily read license plates and road signs. The infrared night vision technology allows for crystal clear footage even in low light, while the 24-hour parking mode kicks in automatically, ensuring your vehicle is protected around the clock. Its G-sensor locks emergency videos to prevent overriding, and with support for up to 256 GB micro SD cards, you'll never miss a moment. Backed by an 18-month warranty and exceptional customer service, the Vantrue N2 Pro is your best ally on the road. Perfect for Uber drivers looking for comprehensive protection and quality, this dashcam is an investment in safety. Number 1. OMBAR M572 dashcam takes your driving experience to a whole new level. With its impressive 4K resolution for front and rear monitoring, it captures every detail around you with a wide 170 degrees front and 150 degrees rear view. This dual camera setup ensures you never miss a moment, providing essential evidence in case of disputes or accidents. The built-in 5G Wi-Fi allows for seamless app control, making video sharing and management a breeze. Plus, with advanced G-sensor technology, the camera automatically locks crucial footage upon detecting a collision, ensuring vital evidence is always protected. For added security, it features 2 parking modes that keep an eye on your car even when you're away, using innovative time-lapse and collision detection recording. The OMBAR M572 dashcam is designed to endure extreme temperatures and is backed by a 12-month assurance, making it the best dashcam for Uber drivers seeking reliability and performance. Stay protected and drive confidently with OMBAR. In conclusion, investing in the best dashcam for Uber drivers can significantly enhance your safety, accountability, and peace of mind on the road. With various options available, choosing the right one tailored to your needs can make a world of difference. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect dashcam. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more helpful content.